Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have prerequisites: an email, 5-10-minute domain ideas, and a basic niche. First, pick hosted versus self-hosted. The choice affects cost and control, so weigh it now. Next, reserve a short domain, use backups if the first is taken. Then, create or sign into the platform account and verify your email. This establishes ownership. Once done, set a temporary password you can change later, and note your login URL so you don't get locked out. Now you configure the core settings that shape every post. Install the CMS or complete the platform wizard, and then apply a responsive theme so the site works on mobile. Set your site title, tagline, and upload a logo or placeholder. These establish branding immediately. Make sure to adjust time zone, language, and permalinks for SEO-friendly URLs. Once that's stable, create one sample post and a draft about page to test layouts and confirm menus display correctly. Finish by adding critical tools. Connect analytics, install an SEO plugin, and create a contact form so visitors can reach you. Then, check user flows, submit the contact form, subscribe to your mailing list, and post a comment to verify notifications work. Make sure the site renders on phone and tablet. View source if links break. If something goes wrong, clear browser and site cache, temporarily disable new plugins, then retest. This isolates conflicts and usually fixes 90% of startup issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.